Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fraser and I'm back with a new video. This one is going to be a hair tutorial. If you want to see how I style my curly hair, then please keep on watching. I just finished washing my hair with the Size Repair shampoo. To style my hair, I am using the Argan Deluxe Curl Defining Cream. I section my hair into and apply the curl defining cream. Then I divide my hair in small sections so that it's easier to work with, and start to brush my hair. When you style your hair, you have to make sure that your hair is still wet because it's going to be hard to style a dry hair. After brushing my hair, I use more curl defining cream to make the styling process easier. I go in with my finger and detangle the curls. Once I'm done doing that, I finger coil my hair. I repeat the same process until the last section of my hair. Then I grab a cotton t-shirt and scrunch my hair to remove all the excess product. I do that for almost 5 to 10 minutes. It depends. It's not the same for every person. You might need to do it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. It depends on your hair or on your hair type. Then I grab a diffuser hair dryer and dry my hair for almost 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't want to use a diffuser hair dryer, you can do that too. You can let it air dry. You don't have to use it, but I don't want to wait, so that's why I use a diffuser hair dryer. My hair is almost dry now, so I separate the curls with my finger. The more I separate my curls, the more volume I get. Then I take very little Garnier Wonder Oil and apply it all over my hair. You don't need much product, very little. Then I pick my hair to add more volume. Yeah, and that's the finished look. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Mwah.